Hi, my name is RAG4p. In this short video I'm going to introduce semantic chunking using a project of mine which is called RAG4p, and there is a GUI that makes it easier for me to show what I'm doing. So first I'll take the indexing part, and then I have a tab here called chunking, and chunking is what we're going to do with this piece of text. So I have a description of a talk we proposed for a conference, and I choose the first sentence splitter. And in the sentence splitter you see that we now have 10 sentences, and of course I can choose other splitters. I can, for instance, take the section splitter, and the section splitter are less, so you see larger chunks, and within these chunks you see that it's separated based on space, and that's about it. But what we wanted to see is what would we do with a semantic splitter. Well, the semantic splitter in this case uses OpenAI to have a look at the text. Read the blog if you want to know more about it, but we'll choose it. And now it's running, and it's trying to understand the text, and it's taking semantic knowledge parts out of it. So you will see that in this case we have 11 chunks. There is like a Halloween project which states something about Halloween. There is a talking skeleton. There's something with motion detection. You see that we have technologies that are used, and there is a guest appearance of Benno the Pirate. Well, this is the semantic chunks, so it's chunks that have meaning around one specific subject. So when we want to create vectors out of these semantic chunks, we get vectors that really only have one piece of meaning that we can use in, for instance, a RAG system, which is what we have here. So while we're here, let's try it out. Go to the generating tab, and in the generating tab I have selected OpenAI GPT-4o. I configure the top-end retrieval strategy, so it will only return the chunks that we find. And I've loaded a content store, in this case Technation settings. We can have a look at the details. It uses a semantic splitter. It has an embedder from OpenAI, which is the 3 small. Anything else interesting? I don't think so. So let's close this one again, and let's put in the first question. So was there a talk about Q&A systems? Well, let's retrieve the chunks. It says there is a talk titled Building a Question Answering System Workshop, which was about Q&A systems, which is nice. This is the context that we obtained. This is, as you can see, one chunk, Building a Question Answering System Workshop, and then it gives us some details. Now, what if I want to know a little bit more about this? I want to know who executed the workshop. Let's see what it does. Oh, he cannot answer that. Why can't he? Well, there is one chunk that he finds interesting, which matches what I'm asking, but I need more. So that's when we introduce a different retrieval strategy, in this case the document retrieval strategy. It will obtain one chunk, but then it will retrieve the complete document for the matching chunk. Let's see if we can get better results. The talk was created as a semantic search-based question answering system with large language models, and the workshop was executed by RAG4p and Daniel Spee. And if you look at the context now, you see that there is a lot more context. That's it. The good part about the semantic chunks is that you have a very good balance between what you want to find, the semantic meaning of your question, and combined with a different retrieval strategy, you can find the complete document, and in that complete document you find most of your answers.